Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're unboxing Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and it is for the month of April. This is such a weird time and let me know, I have a question for you guys. Let me know in the comments. Does time seem to be going really quick for you guys or really slow? Like you would think that time would be moving really slowly because you're at home a lot, literally doing next to nothing like me, but for some reason I feel like it's still going by pretty fast. Like I feel like, where did March go? But I may be eating those words and in the next couple of days I could be like dying for this to be over, but it still seems like it's going by kind of quick to me. Anyway, let's unbox the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This one is $25 a month. It has 5 full-size products and you are valued at about $120 or more. So I'm really excited to dive in. I feel like this helps me have like a sense of normalcy because every month I get my boxes and I unbox them with you. So yeah, I'm really excited that I got it. It's definitely something I needed. We cannot go out and shop and, you know, soothe our souls with spending some money. We can't do that right now, at least not in person. We can definitely do it online. But I don't know, this is just like a little boost, a little perk to my day, so I'm really glad I got it. Let me stop rambling, let me get into it. Clearly I'm starved for conversation and, you know, talking to people, but I feel like talking to you guys kind of, you know, gives me that gratification that I'm looking for, which is why I'm rambling. Shut. Right on top, we've got our little pamphlet, which I am going to refer to. Okay, first up, the Dutch Dirt Mask by Bloom Effects. I've never heard of this. This is what it looks like. It is in a tube. We have here a 2-ounce mask. This one goes for $49. Kind of pricey. The secret to a fresh, dewy face? Dirt. Well, not just any dirt. Botanicals and enzymes, Dutch Dirt Tulip Complex are straight magic for skin. You leave it on for 20 minutes to refresh, reset, and rebalance your skin. Okay. Helps with pores as well. And okay, 20 minutes. Interesting. I've never heard of this brand, as I said. I mean, I'm all about a good like detox mask, so I'm not against trying it. I do, however, have a lot of skincare, if you guys may have seen in one of my vlogs. So I will more than likely put this to the side and save it for either a giveaway or to give to someone. I'm just trying to be more conscious of not wasting. But $49 seems a little high, but who knows, it could be absolutely amazing and be, you know, more than worth that price. So 49 bucks to start with, almost double the cost of the box. We're off to a really good start. Oh, let me go ahead and pull the bag out. I have to say, I know some people are really going to love these, but I am not a fan of this design and it's just not my style. Like florals sometimes, like you guys have seen me wear florals for sure, but I just don't know about this. Like this is very artistic floral and maybe I'm just not artsy enough, who knows. It's got a little like wooden ring. I wanted to say it looked like bamboo, but this is just like lightweight wooden ring. That's kind of cool and interesting. If I like the print, I don't think I would be bothered by this. If it looked maybe a little bit more, I don't know, like tropical, I guess, I don't think I would mind it so much. But at any rate, it's got like this camel-ish kind of color on the inside. Some people will probably absolutely love this bag, but I don't mind that. Honestly, all the bags lately have been my style and I've been wanting to keep all of them. So when the bag is not for me, it just makes it easier to, you know, give away to someone else. So it's okay. All right, next we have a Dose of Colors lip. This is in Plum Queen. This is one of their liquid matte lipsticks. If you guys don't know, it's a really good formula. This goes for $18. I'm gonna pull her out. I definitely don't have this color, but I am interested to try it out, so I'm gonna swatch it. Ooh, this is pretty. It's definitely like plumish, kind of burgundy plum, but also kind of wearable. Like this isn't that crazy of a shade, even if this isn't really something you wear all the time. I feel like you can still get a lot of wear out of this. I will definitely have to try this on. I can see myself wearing this with a wing liner. That would be really cute just to keep it simple. A neutral eye, but it looks really pretty, or even like monochromatic, a little plum on the eyes, and then this on the lips would be really pretty too. I love Dose of Colors lips, so I definitely cannot complain about that. The formula is really, really good. I have another lip product. This is from Girlactic. This is the Jello Gloss Balm. That sounds very intriguing. I kind of want to try it just based off the name. This goes for $18. It has vitamin E avocado oil, so it gives lips nourishment and moisture they need. Plus an ultra glossy look is gorge on everyone. I know that's short for gorgeous, but gorge, I don't really like it. Sounds like engorged. I'm gonna stop. Let's see, I'm gonna twist it up a little bit so I can see what it looks like. That's what the little jelly balm looks like. I think I want to give this a try. It just sounds interesting, right? Jello. Ooh. Okay, if I didn't have like a creamy lipstick on, I'd totally put this on right now. Ooh, this smells really good too. What is that smell? It smells like something very familiar to me. Oh, I don't know, but it's got a lot of shine. Like, do you guys see that? It feels a little bit richer too. I'm gonna try this out tonight, put some on my lips and see what I think, but it smells good. It looks like it's gonna be like ultra shiny, super nourishing. And yes, I did say this goes for $18 as well. So honestly, $36 the value of these two lips, and like, I'm very excited for both of the lips, so I will not complain about that for 1 second. Even if I give the mask away, I still feel like I got a good value for the two items. All right, next up is the Tardis Double Take eyeliner. I have seen this a million times and I have never ever picked it up. This goes for $24. It is cool that this is double-ended. I don't think I have this. Actually, I could be wrong. I'm gonna check before I say if I'm gonna keep or give away or whatever. I'm gonna show you guys. It's a little pencil on one end and a liquid liner on the other. I'm actually like second guessing myself, and I think there may be a chance that I have one, or maybe it's brown. I'm gonna stop guessing because I really don't know without looking in a drawer that's like way over there. I'm gonna hold my thoughts on that right now. I've never tried it. If I have it, it's brand new, so this will probably go in a giveaway if I had to guess. All right, we've got one more item. This looks like a palette. I'm being very picky on if I'm using palettes or not. There was definitely a time where I was like, any palette I got in a subscription box, I just used and kept, and then, you know, usually wouldn't keep. This is from Shana B Miami eyeshadow palette. Okay, I mean, this is cute. Okay, so here is the outside, black with some pink palm trees. I'm not going to remove the plastic because I don't think I'm going to keep this, but the little flamingo imprint on the shadows is really cute. This is definitely a very everyday wearable eyeshadow palette. But when I think Miami, I think bold, and I know that everywhere people wear mostly neutral eyeshadows. Like, I even have something on a little bit more, well, it's not that neutral, like it's brown, but I've got on blue eyeshadow and, you know, silver glitter. So I don't know, when I think Miami, I think bold, colorful, spicy. I think of like all these things, and this is just very neutral. I mean, not that that's a bad thing in any way. I like the little flamingo print, but I don't think I'm going to keep this for myself because I have so many and I would rather someone else enjoy this. And I have a lot of stuff that I'm putting away, putting to the side that I just don't want to open and use myself. I'm going to be giving a lot away to friends, family, but also doing giveaways too. So be on the lookout for that. I'll definitely be holding some giveaways soon. I'm just lazy about them and I don't want to start one right now because it took me forever to pick the winners of the last one, and I do have one more to wrap up, which is the little Fenty from my BoxyCharm from last month. But at any rate, I definitely will be doing some more. So as a little recap, we got, of course, the bag, the Dutch Dirt Mask, that was a $49 value. The eyeshadow palette goes for $20, really reasonable, so I feel like this is, you know, a decent price for what you're getting. Again, $20, so $69 value with those two items. If you go add in the Tarte liner, which is $24, that's gonna put you at $93 of value. And then of course you have both of the lips that are $18 a piece, which I believe is $129. I think $129 is the total value, but I'll add it up really quick just to be sure. Yes, $129 value for this box. I think that's well worth it, even though like this assortment is not quite my favorite. I mean, I'm just gonna be honest, I'm not super excited about much in here other than, you know, the two lips. The Tarte liner is a good staple, so don't get me wrong, and the palette is cute. You can't go wrong with the mask, but just like specifically those items, they don't really get me like super excited about this. Of course, I'm really excited to see what I get in my regular bag and what I get in my ultimate, so I will have more videos coming. They'll probably be like back to back again, but I'll keep them coming, and I'm really excited about both of my lips. As for the other stuff, who knows, it may wind up in a giveaway. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this with me. If you have not watched some of my recent videos, please go give them some love. I definitely feel like I am, once again, YouTube is doing like a whole thing. Like, I'll have one video do pretty good and the next one is horrible, and then I'll have one that's and then I'll have one that is amazing, and then one that's just complete crap. So it's all over the place. I don't know. I refuse to try to understand it because it's just confusing and frustrating to me, but I have a lot of videos I've been posting still really regularly, so please go show some love. I did a go to bed with me, like bedtime beauty sleep essentials type of video. I also did a review of the pastel pup palette, which is so cute. That's been some of my favorite looks that I've been doing lately, are this bright pastels, and it's really pretty, and I love to give love to my indie brands. So yeah, lots of videos for you guys to check out if you're interested, and I hope you enjoyed. I will see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Bye!